Okay, a few years ago, I tried the Japanese foil ball challenge. You know, the one where a roll of foil becomes a perfect mirror, and this is what I made. That's not a mirror, that's a potato, a metal potato. In my defense, I gave up after 2 hours. But since then, hammering foil has kind of become my entire personality. So I figured, let's give this thing a rematch. And this time, I came prepared. 5 hammers. Do I need 5? No. But if I lose to a roll of foil again, it will not be the hammer's fault. So, 2 questions. 1, can it actually become a real mirror? And 2, the stupid one I already regret, does it survive a drop from the first floor? Okay. Step 1. And this little piece of tape is already not coming off. Great start. Whatever. Let's just crush this into a ball. Honestly, already kind of proud of this guy. All right, big wooden mallet first, just to pack it down and get the rough shape. And honestly, let's just enjoy this for a second. A little ASMR for you. Okay, quick check-in. 15 minutes of hammering, and it's actually starting to look like a ball. Time for the smaller hammer. Okay, my arm is about to fall off. Let's check the progress. Roundness? I'd say a solid 6.7 out of 10. We'll get there. And there's this one little piece that just refuses to go in. I've hammered it like 50 times. It has a will of its own at this point. Let's measure real quick. 28 centimeters around. Okay, that's a start, but we're not there. This needs to get a lot smaller. Anyway, the fun part. Does it shine yet? Honestly, 4 out of 10. It's not there yet, but it's catching a bit of light now. Time to switch to the smaller hammer. The big one got it into shape, now this one does the fine work. Nope, that didn't do anything. Big hammer it is. Sorry, downstairs neighbors. Second measurement. 23 centimeters now, down from 28, so it's actually getting denser. Reflection's still not it though, 5 out of 10. Yeah, that's a spoon. Just a regular kitchen spoon, giving this thing a little massage. And the sound is oddly satisfying. I still can't picture this thing reflecting like a mirror. Okay, look at my hands. At this point, gloves might have been a good call. Okay, reflection test again. Still a 5 out of 10. Come on, I've been at this for 2 hours already. Okay, this is the part everyone warned me about. 5 rounds of wet sanding. 400 grit all the way up to 3,000. Each round just erases the scratches from the round before. Look at that spot. You can definitely see a difference already. Right, back to the grind, literally. If you're still watching this part, thank you. A like takes 1 second and it really does help. This layer never welded to the rest. It's just loose foil sitting on top. So I'm ripping it off. That's allowed, right? I still have the feeling it's not dense enough. Do you hear that? Back to sanding.
Encara Messi, 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 gol, 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 gol.
You have no idea how much my hand hurts right now. Look at how much sandpaper I destroyed today. Am I tripping, or is the reflection actually worse than before I started sanding? So the answer to that question is this stuff right here. Four hours in, and this is the current state of the ball. Not bad at all. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. Okay, so question 1 is answered, which brings us straight to question 2. Does this thing survive a drop from the first floor? The old ball goes first, then the one I just spent all day on. That impact was softer than I expected, but that one's still loose foil. The new one is dense. That's going to hit a lot harder. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that sounded completely different. All right, let's see if they made it down without any damage. Oh yeah, the old one took a proper dent, right there. Okay, now the one I actually care about. It looks exactly like it did before. No dent, no cracks, still reflects. That's a pass. Question 2, answered. So, what should I make next? Drop your video ideas in the comments. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and yeah, subscribe, obviously. See you.